Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce customer support costs with Freshdesk, beginner guide step by step clearly. Reducing customer support costs is essential for any business looking to improve efficiency. Freshdesk is a powerful tool that can help you achieve this goal. Begin by signing up for a Freshdesk account on their website. Choose a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free tier if you're just getting started. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your customer support activities. Next, set up your support channels. You can integrate email, phone, chat, and social media into a single platform. This allows your team to manage all customer inquiries from one location. Creating a knowledge base is an important next step. A knowledge base allows customers to find solutions on their own. This reduces the volume of support tickets and lowers costs. Start by adding common questions and answers to your knowledge base. Use the Freshdesk template to ensure the information is clear and helpful. Consider implementing automation features next. Automation can handle repetitive tasks, such as ticket assignment. This saves time for your support agents, allowing them to focus on complex issues. Set up ticket rules to automatically prioritize urgent requests. You can also enable auto responses for common inquiries. Next, explore the reporting tools provided by Freshdesk. Reports help you analyze ticket trends and customer satisfaction levels. Identifying peak times for inquiries can assist in staffing decisions. Consider leveraging the chatbot feature within Freshdesk. A well-programmed chatbot can handle simple questions without human intervention. This frees up your team for more complicated issues. Additionally, train your support staff regularly. Well-trained employees can resolve issues more efficiently. Encourage the use of the shared inbox feature for team collaboration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.